Aspiron Vacuum Cleaners Review. Is it worth it? So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be doing a review right here for the Aspiron Vacuum Cleaners. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're going to buy vacuum cleaners right here from Aspiron. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the review. So currently we're in their website and these are their best sellers over here, and as you can see right here, all of their best sellers usually have 5-star ratings or a 4.5 star ratings. So yeah, so you can really say that these are really good vacuum cleaners. So yeah, so let's check this one out. This is their most popular one, the Aspiron Portable Multi-Purpose Steam Cleaner 5 minutes heating with 1.5 liter tank. So here are the reviews right here. So we have one from Eric. This thing is awesome, easy to use, and with all the attachments you can do the floor, the stove, and the windows all with one machine. We have another one right here from Scott, which is a verified buy. The brush nozzle parts wore out after the third use. Attempted to buy more, but the company's website doesn't offer them for individual purchase. I reached out to the manufacturer and the company has been giving me the runaround for weeks. It makes lots of steam and lots of steam. We have one right here from Stella. I'm blown away by the performance of the Aspiron Canister Steam Cleaner. It's the most efficient and effective steam cleaner I've ever used, and the Aspiron Canister Steam Cleaner is a powerful and versatile tool that makes cleaning a breeze. So let's check out some other ones right here, just like this one, the 1700 watts canister vacuum cleaner with 5-stage filtration. So here are the reviews right here. So we have one from Gabriella. Love the vacuum so far. It does a great job picking up everything on my wooden floors, carpet, and tiles. Plenty of attachments for the hard to reach areas. Then we have the one right here from Valerie, which is a verified purchase as well. Good features for a reasonable Black Friday price. Plastic accessories and parts could be made of harder plastic. Cord rollback is weak. Then we have the one right here from Denise. Love the suction. Picks up the dog hair from the wooden floor better than our vacuums in the past. Then lastly, we have another one right here. Good vacuum, but I wish the hose was different. We have a Roomba that vacuums the floors. My partner is allergic to our cat, so I mostly use the vacuum for furniture. The couch, headboard, cat tree, mattress, pillows, etc. 3/4 of the cord is the hard plastic tube that doesn't bend, which makes it great if you're using it for floors. Furniture, not so much. It is a good vacuum that works well. I like that it has wheels, you can pull it behind you, and I love the retractable cord. So yeah, so that's pretty much for the reviews right there. So yeah, so as you can see that it has a lot of good reviews, a lot of 5-star reviews. So if you want to buy these vacuum cleaners at a special discount, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.